In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your HubSpot with WordPress in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and can significantly enhance your website's performance by integrating powerful sales and marketing tools offered by HubSpot. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred browser and enter the URL for HubSpot. Once you've arrived at the homepage, locate the Login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you don't have a HubSpot account already, this is a great time to create one. Having an account will enable you to access the various software tools HubSpot offers to supercharge your business operations. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot homepage. From here, you want to direct your attention to the marketplace icon. This icon might look like a little store or shopping bag, and it's typically located in the menu bar. Give that a click. The marketplace is where you can explore and add different apps that integrate seamlessly with HubSpot, providing enhanced functionality catered to your needs. Now, within the marketplace, you should see an option labeled Apps. Click on that and this will bring you to a list of various available applications that you can integrate with your HubSpot account. We're looking for a specific one today, so you don't have to browse too far. Specifically, you're searching for the HubSpot for WordPress app. With this app, you'll be able to marry the powerful capabilities of HubSpot with your WordPress site, taking your site's efficiency and user engagement to the next level. Once you've spotted HubSpot for WordPress, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the app's detail page where you'll find additional information about what the app does and how it operates alongside WordPress. If everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, the next action is to install the app. Look for the Install App button and click on that to begin the installation process. After clicking Install, follow any on-screen prompts that may appear to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, the integration will be set up, allowing your HubSpot account to effectively communicate with your WordPress site. This connection will enable you to utilize HubSpot's features directly within your WordPress dashboard, making it easier than ever to manage your contacts, track customer interactions, and elevate your marketing efforts. And that's it, you've successfully connected HubSpot with your WordPress site. Remember, the key here is to explore the new tools and features at your disposal and see how they can best serve your business goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you leverage your website's potential by integrating these two powerful platforms.